It is currently Wednesday, April 14th, and it's 3:15 in the arvo. And yeah, my monthly box of happy from SewHayleyJane has arrived finally. And yeah, I thought it might arrive Saturday, and then I thought Monday, but Monday came and went. No, Tuesday came and went, and thankfully today it has arrived. So let's see what's inside. I thought I'd come outside and share with you guys my monthly box of the SewHayleyJane opening, and yeah, have little crackers. They're currently taking a siesta. I gave them some lunch a little while ago. They're just so adorable. There's just these two now, so the other male has now finally gone. Okay. Oh, there's something a little bit extra there. I got a feeling I know why, because this month is my 1 year subscription. So yeah, I guess that's a little card that Hayley has put in. Oh, it's exciting. Yep, little thank you card. Oh, how lovely is that? Ah, there we go. And got some little labels there to say thank you for a year subscription. I think the birds in the background, they're happy as well. Oh, there looks quite a lot in here. So we always start off with the book. I'll give you a little sneak peek, not too much. As always, we have the introduction by Hayley. I'm flipping a few pages over at the same time. We have an interview, and then 3 boxes, 3 makes. A Fat Quarter project by the wonderful Temlin. So that is all the peek that I'm going to give you of the book. Okay, so we have some wonder clips and some really pretty buttons there. Got them in thread as always. Make sure you need for some more thread. I've been sewing so much recently. And then we have the 4 fat quarters. So pretty floral there. Oh, I really like that one. It's almost like as if it's watercolour painting. Wow, that's vibrant. Lovely floral with purple. And another one that kind of reminds me of watercolour painting. That's so pretty. Oh, wow. Okay, that's beautiful. Little card to be able to put on a shelf somewhere. I spy candy. So there is some chocolate candy, and if I remember, I think these have a mint flavour to them. And then we come on to the main fabric, so 2.5 yards. And as you guys know, that I subscribe to the classic box, so you always get 2.5 yards. It is so super soft. That is really lovely, and I like that blue colourway as well. And yeah, the floral flowers. Yeah, so I'm going to get a few little ideas of what to make with that. Could make a little wrap dress. I don't know if I actually show you the inside. Okay, so the reverse, the wrong side of the fabric is white. Sometimes you have to be a little bit careful of that, because if it stretches. But that is really pretty fabric. So yeah, this month's box, well, each month, but never disappoints. Always so wonderful. These fat quarters I really like. They are so pretty. Yeah. Yep. And the little flowers, button flowers. And then wonder clips. I don't very often use wonder clips, to be fair, but they can be used other than for fabric. And then that little extra gift of the little labels there. Wow. So if you guys are not familiar with the SewHayleyJane boxes, the classic box, luxury box, and then you get a mini box. So I am subscribed, like I just said, to the classic, which is the middle tier. The first tier is the mini box, and then the third tier is the luxury box. And I have been so tempted so many times to go up to the luxury, but yeah, I don't know, this is something about the middle tier that I really love and enjoy, so I've kind of kept it there. Let me know if you guys have subscribed and have you received your box this month. Yep, and these guys are still set there. CS string in a tiny bit of sunshine. You never know, might have little baby chicks. I put a bowl there for them, so then they've always got access to water. And I'm actually going to get a little paddling pool because they have actually gone inside there. Also today, my love sewing arrived, and the Great British Sewing Bee is airing tonight, so it's the first in the show, first episode. Yeah, so I can see maybe there might be something about it in here. Let's see what the patterns look like. Righto, so these are the two patterns that came with this magazine. So this summer tunic is like a 3-in-1, and then we have this Butterick B6727, and if you kind of look, don't you guys think they're not too dissimilar? Yeah, I mean, if you make the version C there, that is really not too dissimilar to this one. I know that it has a button front there and the tunic does not, but yeah, it's just a similar style across the shoulders, the v-neck, you know, the length. I kind of like view B there, and yeah, I'm not overly enamoured, to be honest, with either of the patterns. So if I am going to keep one, I possibly may keep this one. I don't know, I'm going to have to think about that. And yeah, this is the cover of Love Sewing, and yeah, maybe later on this evening I will take a look through. At the moment I just kind of want to carry on a little bit of sewing, and yeah, and then show you guys sneak peeks of what I have been up to sewing wise this week. Righto, so I just kind of flicked through a couple pages, and I had noticed, look, on this skirt there, see that little bit of pulling there along that bottom placket? Do you not think that maybe they kind of should have sewed it a little bit better? Unless maybe the skirt front is just pushed down and it's kind of pulling that placket out. I don't know. What do you think, guys? And then here it says the lay plan for the skirt pattern pieces. Now, if that was me, I would no way lay pieces out like that. Look how much fabric would be wasted if you did that. I don't know, maybe they kind of need to get the act a little bit better and place patterns on fabric a lot more strategically, because yeah, if we're kind of supposed to be looking after the planet, that is not the way to go.
If I go wrong on a bodice, I could cut out another one. Yeah. But I've got a few more lumps and bumps than you, Angela, so I might size up a little bit.
Me too. It's looking for the patterns that don't show lumps and bumps, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's a few lumps and bumps between friends? It's
I know.
fine.
Righto, it is actually now Friday morning and I am absolutely picking myself because as things are starting to open, Fridays in the morning I usually go somewhere for a couple of hours, and I can go today if I'd like, and I've kind of got myself ready. But seriously guys, my anxiety levels are absolutely, yeah, out of space. That's how far. Mega nervous, and yeah, I'm almost to the point I don't know if I will actually go. I am pushing myself, I'm getting everything ready. I've got a pattern to bring with me to cut out and then sew, but we'll probably end up tying a lot anyway. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. I'm absolutely pecking myself. I'm really nervous. It's ridiculous, isn't it? I don't know. I guess I'm just used to almost being in a cell for like forever. I mean, to be fair, I don't go out a whole bunch anyway, because a lot of everything that I do is from home anyway. Yeah. Oh, I'll pick a camera up if I go. I'm not telling you where I go because obviously that's private, unfortunately, because obviously it gives out where I currently reside, and don't want to do that for obvious reasons. But oh, I don't know, I'm scared. Righto guys, it is a whole bunch of time later. It's still Friday, so still no Friday sizes gone up yet, and yeah, just doing dinner. It is 5:40 at night, 17:40, and yeah, I did go, absolutely terrified, and yeah, I feel really strange, to be fair. There was actually quite a few more people there than there usually is, so, and I think there was 8. Yeah, I did it, and yeah, I actually feel really strange. Just the noise and kind of just speaking to people other than TE. It's really weird, and yeah, I feel really shaky still, and I actually had a little bit of a nip, the Savo, on the couch. It's really wiped me out. I know that seems really strange, and yeah, I'm a little bit emotional, so I don't know. I know it's a good thing that I did it, but it's also maybe not so good that I feel like this. Yeah, it's all a lot to suddenly do. I don't know. And yeah, anyway, that's that. Hopefully I feel a little bit better, and yeah, I'm gonna go and get some dinner and spend time with T a little bit before he does TE things. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to do any sewing today, this evening. I might just chill. Right, anyway, that's it. So yeah, all it is a little bit of ducks, SewHayleyJane, kind of going out this morning, and a little bit of kind of excerpts of the week. So it's not very interesting as usual. Okay guys, have a fantastic week. I'm not sure if there's going to be a Sunday video. My friend's going to be around from tomorrow, and also depends how I feel. Righty guys, thank you so much for stopping by as always. Take care and stay safe and have fun if you are going out.